Jeans on, baby, you won't feel my pain.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Welcome to my channel. Also hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. You'll be locked in to get the little notification bell when I post a new video. If you guys are not new to my channel and this is not your first time, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm giving you guys a nice little try and haul video. I'm going to be trying on some pieces that resemble the Savage X Fenty line by Rihanna. I love all her pieces. I look on her website literally all the time. They have really cute lingerie sets, sleep sets, like your, things you wear to bed. They have your loungewear, lounge around the house. They have like your robes, your accessories for bed. If you want to look sexy, if you want to look more kind of just chill, you have their chill vibes on the website as well. And they just literally have anything to kind of just like feel your best in. I personally haven't, I don't own anything from the Savage X Fenty line yet. I have purchased some things from her line, from her collection, and I'm just now waiting to receive it in the mail. But I'm super excited about it. I'm super excited to try on those pieces on as well when I get them. But like I said, this video is going to be a Savage X Fenty dupe haul. I got all these pieces I'm going to show you guys from Shein. Shein is a cheaper website that has literally all your clothes, all your trending clothes is a lot more cheaper than Savage X Fenty. All their clothes on their website are very inexpensive. I don't think anything I purchased from this website was literally over $15, just to let you know. And the things on the Savage X Fenty's website are a little bit more pricey. They kind of resemble Victoria's Secret's pricing, kind of like, $50 for a bra, or $20 for a pair of underwear, and that's just one pair. But if you are a member to the Savage X Fenty line, you will get perks. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I hope you guys like this video. If you do like this video, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and tell me which outfit, which little piece of lingerie, sleepwear is your favorite. I'd love to know. I love interacting with you guys. So go ahead and drop me a comment and just go ahead and keep watching, and I'm going to show you guys on my little Savage X Fenty dupes. Okay guys, so this is the first ensemble I'm going to be showing you guys, and I just think she's too cute. I know she's a little bit wrinkly. Please do not judge me on the wrinkles. For the purpose of this video, I just threw her on and went about my business. So like I said, don't judge. But I think this is really cute. I love the red color. Red on just anybody's complexion, no matter if you light, dark, in the middle. It don't matter. Red on your skin tone just makes you look good, makes you pop. And so I really like it. I love that it's satin. I think since it's satin, I think that just ups the game just a little bit more. It's just nice to touch. If you just got the shower, going to bed, this is just something really cute and really nice to just throw on. I really like it. I love all the detailing in it. It does have this cow neckline to it. It has these spaghetti straps in the back. I'm going to tell you about the back before I go ahead and turn around. As you can tell, this dress, this little slip dress, is really short on me personally, but I am a tall girl. I am in the 6-foot category. If you're anything shorter than I am, it probably won't be as short as it is on me, on you. So the back just has this nice little zigzag detailing to it. I think it's cute. I think it just adds a nice, cute flair to the dress. Not even the back, but the dress, the slip dress period, is short on me, so I'm not really going to show you guys the full back, but as you can tell, it goes just a couple inches past my hips. So it goes a couple inches even lower on my butt because I have a booty and it's raising it up a little bit. So just be mindful of that. But that is it for this dress. Please go ahead and tell me guys what you think about it, if you like it. Is this something that you would wear around the house? Is it something you would wear, going to bed, around your mans? I don't know, but tell me guys what you think, your opinions, your thought, your tea. But I'm just gonna go ahead and get changed into my next outfit and show you guys what that dupe looks like. So keep watching. Okay guys, so this is my next lingerie set. This is a satin robe. I think it's really cute. It comes in this really cute blush pink color. And then it also has lace trimming all on the sleeves. So you see it has just like this floral lace trim. This made me so happy. The sleeves are long enough. If you've seen my try on haul videos, if you've watched any of my try on haul videos, 9 times out of 10 I'm complaining that my sleeves aren't long enough. Something doesn't fit because it's not long enough. And guys, do you see this? I mean, I get it, it has a lot of mesh detailing right here in the sleeves, but the fact that they're long enough for my arms, this just really makes me happy. So already this whole ensemble gets it a 10 out of 10. On me personally, I think it's just a smidgen too big, but it's okay. It's a robe, it's adjustable. And it also has some lace detailing down at the bottom. So I'm just gonna give you a quick little 360 so you can see what all the robe looks like. Now let's get what's underneath the robe. The party's in here, the party's inside. So this robe came with a matching onesie, which I think is just too cute. So this onesie, let me just go ahead and take this off. I think it's really cute. It matches the robe. It has this like lace detailing in the chest area. It also has, you know, your lace detailing down at the bottom. It goes all the way around the bottom of the shorts. These straps are adjustable. This look right here is it. I just love the color. I love all the detailing. I love that it's satin. It feels really good. I love going to sleep in satin. I have a lot of PJs and things that I wear to bed. They are satin because I just feel it feels so good on your body, especially when you're like fresh out the shower, fresh out the bath, and you put on some satin, look, you know, lather up, put in some lotion, some oils. Just literally, I don't know, I just feel like satin, this feels really good on your body. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what the back looks like. Once again, like the first dress I showed you, it has this zigzag kind of like detailing down in the back. And like I said, the straps are adjustable, so you have your like a little adjustable knots in the back. And I can't really call this onesie like a short set because these aren't really shorts. It's more like an underwear set. It's more of like I don't know, like a bodysuit type feel. These bottoms are not shorts. They're definitely just riding up my bootay and kind of just give me that underwear look. And I don't know if that's what I said. I don't know if that's what you're going for, if you're going for the underwear look. But honestly, who cares? You're lounging in the house. So you can literally wear whatever you want to wear in the house and still feel good. Okay guys, so this is the next set. This is actually a 3-piece set. I know you see 2, but this is actually a 3-piece set. It comes with this top, the shorts, and it also comes with matching underwear that I'll get into in a second. Okay, so you get this top. This is a full lace black top. It has just a whole bunch of lace detailing all around it. The straps are adjustable, so you know, you good no matter what size you are. Up in the top area, they are adjustable, so you can adjust the straps, and I went ahead and did that already. It is completely see-through. I did have to go and like put on some pasties just so you wouldn't see the nips, so they will be poking through, you know, if you just, you know, around the house lounging, whatever. Your girls will be out. So just for the purpose of this video, I went ahead and put in some pasties. Okay guys, so for the shorts, they have the same lace detailing that you see in the top, on the bottom. It goes all the way throughout the bottoms of the shorts, has that same little mesh detailing. It has this like figure string to them. Even though you can adjust them, I do think they fit perfectly on. Although these shorts are really cute, they're really cute on. I love the color, I love the detailing, the lace, the trim, all that kind of stuff. They are a little short, so just be mindful of that. So if you like this set, go ahead and check out the Shein website because they have a lot of other types of colors and different types of styles that you will see this set in. Just go ahead and check it out. It's just like a perfect little fit to throw on and wear around the house, and you know, just go about your business. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop into my next outfit, my next lounge set. Okay guys, so this is my next piece. This is an all blue, royal blue lace slip dress. It is also a 2-piece set. So you not only get the lace slip dress one, but you also get matching undies, which I will get into in just a second. But this slip dress is so freaking cute. I love it. Like, this color just looks really good. It looks really bright and vibrant. Looks superb on my complexion. I feel like it doesn't really honestly matter what complexion you are. You put this bright blue on and you are popping regardless. Honestly, I love this slip dress. It has like mesh detailing up in the top area. Once again, it is completely see-through in the top. I went ahead and put on some pasties, you know, just to stay covered. The rest of it is just this mesh detailing at the bottom, and I think it's really cute. I love the whole mixed texture type thing. It's really cute. The straps are once again adjustable, so that is a huge plus. This is what the back looks like. This is what the slip dress looks like in the back. You look good, you feel good, and I mean, what else is there to have in some like sleepwear? It feels good. Do I look good in this piece? You guys be the judge of that. The bottoms that came with it, they are a thong. It's kind of like a bikini thong type thing. I think they're really cute. The color matches spot on. I got this whole entire piece in a size large, and I think it fits really good on. It's just like perfect, just throw on, you know, just to lounge around the house in. If you want to feel sexy, this is it. This is the piece for you. I like the whole like asymmetrical vibe going on, the cut down at the bottom. It looks just, I don't know, just really dainty. It looks really cute. I don't really know what else to say about this fit besides I love it. You guys tell me what you think. If you like it, go ahead and like this video, leave me a little comment, tell me guys what you think about it, and yeah, let me just go ahead and get changed into my next ensemble. I believe this is the last piece, so go ahead and keep watching so I can go ahead and show you guys what the last lingerie set looks like. Okay guys, so this is my last and final piece I'm going to be trying on for you guys. Once again, I love it. I love this piece. I love this set. I think it's really cute. I love the color. It is this light lavender color. It's really cute on. Okay, so specs. This is a halter top. It is off the shoulders. It is lavender. It has like this nice kind of like polka dot print to it. It has the polka dot print on the top and on the bottoms. I didn't really pay attention to what the bottoms looked like. I thought they were like, you know, like a full panty. I honestly didn't know they were a thong. It is not just a thong, it is actually a G-string. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show you guys what the bottoms look like. On both sides, they have this like string, so you can adjust the bottoms as need be. The top and the bottoms do match. They have the same type of cute, sexy flare going on. I once again got both the top and the bottom in a size large, and I think they fit really good on. Listen, I probably wouldn't be wearing this around the house just casually, but like, you know, if I had a significant other, I would definitely wear it around them, you know, catch some eyes, you know, distract them from the game. If, you know, if that's what they do, I don't know. It's been so long. I definitely think, you know, if you wore this around somebody, they would definitely appreciate this outfit. The back, it does have a string to tie in the back, so you can adjust the fitting size as need be, which is really cool. Basically all the tops, the pieces I got from Shein are adjustable, and I really like that because a lot of places that are cheaper, they kind of just have this like one size fits all type thing, and I really like how that Shein has like the adjustable straps, adjustable strings, so they really have everything that you need that will fit your size and, you know, just look really good on. So I really like this piece. I hope you guys like this piece as well. Tell me guys what you think. But unfortunately, this was the last outfit, this last loungewear, sleepwear ensemble that I picked up from Shein. I really like it. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys liked all the pieces that I tried on. If you guys did like it, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Tell me guys, what is your favorite piece that I tried on? What is your favorite set? I would love to know. But unfortunately, that was it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.